Hi. Let's practice reading. I plus consonant plus E.
I.
Words. Kite, bite, time, lime, wipe, tire, pile, 5, wife, wise. Next. Like, like, like. Rice, rice, rice. I like rice. I like rice. I like rice. Next. Wife, wife, wife. Wise, wise, wise. My wife is wise. My wife is wise. My wife is wise. Next. Bite, bite, bite. Lime, lime, lime. Don't bite the lime. Don't bite the lime. Don't bite the lime. Next. Pile, pile, pile. 5, 5, 5. Kite, kite, kite. Pile the 5 kites. Pile the 5 kites. Pile the 5 kites. Last. Time, time, time. Wipe, wipe, wipe. Tire, tire, tire. I have no time to wipe the tire. I have no time to wipe the tire. I have no time to wipe the tire. Let's compare.
I. 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 Ripe, rip, ripe, rip, ripe, rip. Bite, bit, bite, bit, bite, bit. Kite, kit, kite, kit, kite, kit. Fine, fin, fine, fin, fine, fin. Hide, hid, hide, hid, hide, hid.
Good job. Bye.